Meaning of fragmentation.
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 Fragmentation. Fragmentation refers to the process of breaking something into smaller pieces or parts. In computing, this term is often used to describe the phenomenon where data on a hard drive becomes scattered across different areas of the disk, leading to decreased performance. Fragmentation occurs when files are added or deleted and new data is not written in adjacent blocks. This results in the system having to search for data across multiple locations, leading to slower access times. Fragmentation can be resolved through defragmentation, which reorganizes the data on a disk and improves overall performance.